Yo YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff here, and I am coming right back at you with another, not a sneaker unboxing. No, we have got a cinematic on foot for what I think is potentially the dunk of the year. I know many of you disagree with me, but let's go and watch that cinematic on foot about now. What do you think of that, eh? Told you we were going to do a cinematic on foot, and we did that. So we've got that Turdunken here. We have got it. Now I know many of you don't think that this is worthy of dunk of the year, but I'm telling you, it is. It is. This is one of the most wearable shoes I have. And I've got to say, it's in, as much as you all know me, that I'm not a moss person. I do like my earthy tones. And the tones on this shoe are absolutely just right for me. They're really earthy. They're really wearable at this time of the year. In fact, these would be great through spring, through fall. Not a summer shoe, but definitely through all those other things. Now let's have another look. SJ, let's try this camera, because I want to remind you all of the materials. Now, first of all, have a look at the feathering. Now, can you see? I've never seen that type of material on a shoe before. It is absolutely stupendous, and hopefully you're kind of getting also the iridescence there. Now let's flip that back, because I think the iridescence on the other side is more greeny. It is, and you see that. Now, like, how can you not be liking that? That is absolutely the right interpretation. And in fact, let's have a look at the tongue, because I've had these on now, and so you can see. Oh, SJ, I'm coming in close. Look at that, people. Like look at the light on it. Like, it is crazy. And we didn't really show you that duck tongue, but like, just have a look at the duck. Like, zoom. It's good. Is it not good? Come back to the middle, SJ. So, you know, I've been thinking a lot, and a lot of you love the Strangeloves. You love them, and I don't disagree that they are an amazing shoe. But would you wear them? That is the question. Whereas this bad boy, I could say most people would wear. SJ, let's try this other camera. Like just take a gander. No, it's not a gander. It's a Turdunken. That was a terrible dad joke. That was a terrible dad joke, SJ. Just look at the insides, people. I think you've all got this shoe wrong. I think you have. It looks phenomenal. It looks great on foot. It's wearable. It's skateable. It's got all of the things. And you didn't vote this the winner. Back to the middle, SJ. Yes. So I'm a big fan of these. I think they're one of the best shoes of the year. I know lots of you don't agree. Lots of you think the Strangeloves are amazing. Lots of you are onto the holiday special. The Pint of Stuff community, through a random bracket, voted the Safari. Let's get that right. The Safari dunk, everyone. I'm coming really close. The Safari dunk. That's way too close. Way too close. Lots of you voted the Safari dunk as the winner of all of our dunk pickups of the year, which is kind of novel. You would never ever have picked that. I still pick this. I do. SJ disagrees with me. She's all about the Strangelove. We don't have the Strangelove. Maybe I'd feel different in hand. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful, beautiful shoe, as someone might say. I haven't swapped the laces in. What would you say, people? I know some of you want a more orangey lace in there, and I could see that working. I haven't put the alternates in yet, but there we go. It's great. Now, we are going to do more of these cinematic on foot things. We are. We'll usually do them after we've actually unboxed because I can't get the timings right. I don't know what let's just like wave this thing around. I can't get the timings right, but we are going to do more of them. So look out for more. Could well be a cheeky bear coming along soon. That's all I'm going to say. A cheeky bear, definitely. And if you haven't voted for us, what do you mean if you haven't voted? I can't. If you haven't given this video a thumbs up, it's somewhere down there. Don't forget to subscribe. It's down there as well. And if you're wondering, what on earth is this person talking about? My name is Mr. B, and this is Pint of Stuff, and we do tend to do these sneaker unboxings. We do these cinematic on foots, and every Sunday, we stream Sneaker Streaming Sundays. That's at 8 PM UK time, 12 PM on the West Coast, 3 PM on the East Coast. Come along, it's a bunch of fun. And of course, right now, the algorithm says you should go and watch another one of those amazing videos. I recommend that one. I think it's a particularly good one. Sheriff